You're watching Tammy B. Jones, where if you don't want to buy it, then just DIY it with your home Inspire. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's about painting with a hot glue gun. You see this picture here? It's been over a year since I decided to do something with it. It's been a blank canvas, but no one has complained. I've got lots of compliments on it, in fact. So I sought out, took it down to grab my hot glue gun. Yes, this video is speeded up because it was so long to do. So I took my hot glue gun and I just began to start drawing trees. I had saw a picture, an oil painting of just trees drawn on a picture at home store. Could not find it, went back to look at it so I could snap a picture of it, but it was so fabulous. Someone had already purchased it, so I decided I'm gonna make it, but I know I can't duplicate that raised print, that raised oil painting. So I'm going to try to do it with a glue gun to try to get the same effect. Now, all it is going to be is trees on top of trees on top of trees. I still want to keep my canvas kind of blank looking in the living room space because I wanted to blend in with my already decor. I could not think of anything that would blend in. I did wanted some art, but I cannot find the right art for that wall. And eventually I'm going to have to paint that wall back to a solid color. But for now, I'm going to do this drawing, you guys, and it's already coming together. Can you see that? This is freestyle with the glue gun, and it's just sticks and trees and lines. Anybody can do it, and as you see those dots are for leaf-like images. So I'm just going in with putting little dots all over it right now to make it look like leaf is falling. And can you believe it? I am actually finished. It actually did not take a long time. I think I was finished with this in a total of 30 minutes, but I didn't want to make you guys go through the 30 minutes. So I carried it outside and I sprayed it the highest color of silver, almost mirror-like. But I'm going to have to tone that down. I didn't want it to be as reflective, but I know I wanted it to be shining. So I had some gold leafing, you guys. Could not get the top off. I've had that gold leafing for over 3 years in my paint box, and I didn't know that it expired and it goes bad. So I did not get that gold leaf shine that I was looking for. I got more of a brassy gold. So maybe in the future I may go to the store and get some new gold leafing paint because this one has died. But anyway, I ended up having to nail a hole in the top of it because hey, when I want to paint, I want to paint now. So I wanted to put at least 2 accent trees and paint them gold and leave the rest silver as a pop because my living room is a gold and silver. Now you can paint your picture however you want. You can draw whatever you want. I just did trees and I wanted a silver and gold. So this is what the gold leafing looks like, the liquid leafing. And I put some on the bottom where I wanted to make it look like it was water down there. Like this is like a swamp type style picture where you see a lot of trees that's sitting in water, and that's what I wanted this picture to look like. But I wanted to look like that in one solid color. So I had some varnish around the house and I chose the lightest color that I could find. It looks dark going on, but it's going to evaporate and tone down to like just a dark gray kind of look on the canvas. So I just wanted to tone it down, make it really look like a painting, and get some of that bright mirror silver off, and this is what it did. It also ate away my gold leafing because the varnish is quite so heavy, and it's a strong scent too, and it takes about 2 days to dry. So just keep in mind when you're working with varnish on top of your painting that it takes that long to dry. So once it dry, I'm going to go back in with my gold leafing and paint my trees gold, and continue to paint the glue droppings for the water gold. Everything on this picture was done with glue. All the drawing was done with the glue gun, and this is what it looked like, you guys, after I repainted the tree back to gold. This is what it looks like on the wall. I absolutely say I am impressed. It turned out great. I was so nervous taking on this project because I knew if I messed it up, I was gonna have to throw away the canvas, which means starting all over from scratch with my living room wall art. I think it is super, super gorgeous. You guys, it is amazing. It looks like a forest. It looks dark and swampy and beautiful, and the texture of the glue gun really made it look like raised oil paintings or art or some sort. I actually like the fact that I did it with the glue gun. There's a story to tell right there. So I just wanted to share this with you guys and let you know sometimes think outside the box. Use your hot glue gun to make your art. Love you guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.